Good morning, guys. Welcome to Voi. Welcome to Voi, guys. Welcome. So currently I'm at Voi and I want to show you the place that I'm staying. So it looks like, yeah. So that's the bed. That's the washroom. It's awesome. And the shower. Get a towel. Nice place to work. And a TV and a fan. Yeah, somewhere to work on. Yeah. That's a room tour. So I'm here to do some work for a few days for the week. So I'll be taking you guys around. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Two Oceans Hotel. Good, looks good. Two Oceans Hotel, Voi. Yeah, that's your boy. It flooded in Voi and you can see the silt on the road. Looks like the water was coming from up there, going down. So guys, this is how Voi looks like. It's currently 6 p.m. and it's sunset. As you can see, Voi is surrounded by hills, the Taita Hills. And Voi is in Taita Taveta County, and you can see the SGR passing next to the Mombasa Road. So guys, when I came here, there were bad flash floods, but luckily we were able to, maneuver and avoid them. Thank God. But actually there are no sites, signs of any more flash floods. This is the hotel I'm staying at. It's called the Desert Rose Hotel. It's a nice place. It's a nice place, as you can see. Yeah, it's a really nice place. It's not bad and it's affordable. So when you come to Voi, I would recommend you guys to stay at the Desert Rose Hotel. Yes. So till the next vlog, from me it's goodbye, guys. See you tomorrow. Still in Voi.